Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn off voice mail on your iPhone. We have two steps. We can try one by one. So the first one, just go over here in the call icon, just tap on this one. Now from here, you have to give a command. So this is the command. So just copy this and you have to do it on your phone. Just type hash, double hash, 002 hash. You have to type double hash, 002 hash. Just press this one. So now everything on your phones, including the call forwarding, voice call forwarding, everything will be completely turned off. This is what you have to do as the first one. We're going to message like this. And still, if it's not working, just follow the next instruction. Just go over here in the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to apps. Now from here, search for call. We can search for call. Sorry, you have to search for phone. Select this one. Now from here, you have to scroll down and you have to tap on call forwarding. And now probably this will be turned on. That is why you're having the issue. So just make sure that you have to turn this off. And these two steps will be completely fixing the issue up. And we hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos.